was in Raiatea for a little while, kind of provisioning for Fiji and just getting some admin stuff dialed in. I left for Bora Bora this morning. It's, you know, a 15-mile trip or something like that. Bora Bora is right there now. I had a lot of trouble getting my anchor up yesterday to move to the spot I spent last night at, which was a nice sandy patch, but I almost lost my chain on 2 rocks that it wrapped around, so I feel pretty lucky to have gotten that off. But Bora Bora is mostly mooring balls, so I think it'll be an easy mooring place here. Okay, I'm into the lagoon. Technically, because I'm less than 10 meters, I'm supposed to be able to anchor anywhere. Realistically, they don't actually care. They're probably gonna try to charge me anyways, but I'm gonna see what happens if I go anchor right behind the bill collection guy and see if he speaks English. That's, I guess, the most important thing. Well, I was kicked out of here. Don't know if that's actually how it's supposed to go or not, but it doesn't actually matter. They do what they want here. But he said I can go just over there down a ways, so that's what I'll do. All right, I'm anchored. Anchor's right there. Not completely sure if I'm on the sand or not, but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna jump in and see. Well, this is quite the spot. I'm not sure if it's exactly where I'm supposed to be, but I get the same view as that resort right there for $0 per night when they're probably paying $2,000. But tomorrow I'm gonna head to the village or town or whatever there is here, I'm not too sure, do some final provisioning and start checking out of the country. Okay, I'm at the dock in Bora Bora. Today I checked out of the country, filled up on water, food, diesel, gasoline, did all the things. Now I'm gonna go find a place to sleep for a couple hours before I leave for Maupiti, the next island west of here. I'm off. Bora Bora is pretty, obviously, but it's so touristy that the locals and the authorities have kind of developed what seems like a hatred towards boaters. So it's not too friendly anywhere, but it is what it is. It is 3 a.m. I'm in Bora Bora and I just woke up randomly. My alarm didn't go off. I was supposed to wake up at midnight, but that didn't happen. I'm gonna drop off the mooring ball and start motoring towards Maupiti. It's about 26 miles away. I'm excited to see it. It's supposed to be like Bora Bora 50 years ago with all the tourism stuff gone. Here's where I slept for a few hours. I'm gonna head out the channel here, go straight out. There's some fishing buoys, but I don't think it's legal for them to put them directly in the channel, so I'll just hope that I can go out straight and I'll be fine. I'm out of the channel and on the way to Maupiti. Lucky for me, there was a huge lightning strike just ahead, but it was probably a ways away. Nights are really cool at sea. I'll still appreciate that. I don't like the sleep deprivation part of it, but when it comes to just the experience, nights are by far my favorite. So cool. I'm out here, full moon, leaving Bora Bora for a random island 30 miles west. Really cool experience. It's just quite tiring. Around 6:15 a.m. Sun's rising. We got 2 or 3 hours left. I would have liked to get there a little bit earlier because supposedly this place is a solar tide, not a lunar tide, and it's one of the most notorious passes here. But it'll still be cool enough for me to get in, I think, and there's no wind, so that'll make it calmer. But there's one boat back there. They don't have AIS on. But yeah, I can see Maupiti and getting excited. Well, I towed a fishing line the entire time, threw a bunch of bait balls and bird balls with no luck, so that's unfortunate. But the pass is just over there, about a mile away, and I'm gonna enter in 15 minutes and hope for the best. Okay, I made it through the pass very easily. There was actually no current or wind or anything, so not a big deal. I'm almost to the anchorage, passing this epic mountain right now. And I go somewhere in that pack of boats and then fight the dinghy, make some food, sleep. Getting in the pass was really easy. No current, no waves, no wind, no nothing. I'm heading to land now and I'm gonna hike up that mountain right there. Alright, local guy told me to turn up here. Not certain it's actually the trailhead, but worth a shot. Looks right. There's Hooligan down there. Almost to the top, I think. Alright, it's a pretty steep hike, but I've been running quite a bit, so nothing too hard. I think I'm almost to the top, maybe half a mile or so. really awesome view up there. I'm gonna start making my way down. It's a pretty short hike, so it'll be quick, and then I'm gonna find lunch and start packing the boat up for the next trip, which might even be to the Cook Islands tomorrow. I'm not too sure yet. Gotta look at weather more. All done with the hike. Time for food. Today is April 30, 2024, which means it's officially the last day of cyclone season. Weather looks pretty good for getting to the Cook Islands. It's a little bit strong. You know, it could be better, and the swell is going to be somewhat large, but it's downwind, so it should be easy enough. So as soon as this video uploads, I'm going to start heading towards Aitutaki. It's 450 miles away, so downwind it should take me 3.5, 4 days, something like that. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks to my Patreons for the support.